Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into your Adobe account. This step proves ownership and shows exact plan details. Once signed in, go straight to Account Plans to locate and design. Make sure you confirm whether Adobe or Apple/Google handles billing, because the cancellation path differs. If your payment method or billing email has changed, update it now. That prevents losing access during the process and ensures cancellation notices reach you. Once on Manage Plan, select Cancel Plan to start the guided flow. Adobe asks why you're leaving and presents retention offers. Follow prompts and read the summary. This explains any prorated refund or early termination fee for annual plans. If you subscribed through Apple or Google, cancel inside that store app instead, because Adobe cannot change those subscriptions. Make sure to confirm whether you want to keep assets or license files. Those choices you finish by confirming cancellation and recording the confirmation number. This is your proof if charges continue. Then check your email for a final receipt and the exact date access ends, and verify the payment method isn't still set to auto-renew. If you used an app store, open the store subscription settings and cancel there too. Make sure the store shows canceled. If billing persists, contact Adobe support with screenshots and transaction ID to resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.